Friends, it's my pleasure to welcome you all to showcase profile of Messrs. RG Industries, Jalandhar, Punjab, India. We are a foundry unit having installed capacity of around 24,000 metric tons per annum, and we employ around 400 people presently. We are ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 2531 accredited by third-party reputed agencies. We are primarily a foundry unit producing castings in ductile iron, grey iron and carbon steel, and our range varies from few grams to 5-ton single piece of casting. We as a producer have vision where through our facilities, dedicated manpower, safety and security ensure quality, quantity and delivery as per commitment to our customer. We envisage constant growth in clients, employees, plant and machinery, technology and financial resources to ensure our presence in top line of similar producers. Any foundry, big or small, has to ensure investment in tooling by way of patterns, pattern plates, core boxes, molding boxes, etc. We have hugely invested in this area because of our primary production line of DI and CI fittings, pipes and joints. Our manufacturing range varies from 80 mm to 1200 mm, elbow, T, socket, bends, etc. both in plane as well as in reducer and in various angles. We follow IS 9523 rigorously to ensure requirements of design and material. Our other line of production is manufacture of ductile iron and cast iron walls, and the range is 50 mm to 2000 mm like gate wall, butterfly wall, air and non-return wall, etc. as per various IS, DIN and API specification meeting criteria of design and material. Other than this, we also cater to automotive industry, railways, road line industry, sugar industry, etc. To manufacture our varied range of castings, we employ green sand, sodium silicate CO2 sand and no-bake sand process for molds and cores. Sand being most essential component to ensure sound casting through sound molds, a dedicated semi-automated sand plant is part of our foundry. We are equipped with 2 intensive mixers of 500 kg batch capacity each for green sand line and 300 kg mixer for sodium silicate CO2 line. Green sand molds are produced on Disa-make ARPA machines, and we have models of 300, 450, 600 and 900 which can accommodate boxes ranging from 21 inch by 15 inch by 9 inch to 45 inch by 36 inch by 22 inch. To accommodate bigger size jobs, one set of BMW Western molding machine is under commissioning, which will accommodate our box size of 84 inch by 50 inch by 32 inch. Sodium silicate CO2 process, which is eco-friendly in nature, is being used for both core and mold making. Automatic no-bake molding line is part of our core and mold making system. This is a sensor-based line where mixed sand with resin and hardener is delivered automatically and continuously. All sand mixed batches are regularly checked for their GCS, compactability, permeability, moisture, AFS number, LOI, VM, active clay, total clay, etc. on daily basis in our sand testing laboratory. We follow dedicated plan to ensure all gradients, like bentonite, coal compound are tested to meet desired standards. Melting section is dominated by inductotherm make and megatherm make medium frequency induction furnaces. We have 4 induction furnaces, 2 each of 1000 kg capacity and 2 each of 500 kg capacity, one made by inductotherm and another made by megatherm. To augment requirement of metal, we have one 36-inch diameter cold blast cupola as our part of melting arrangement. We use tested raw material comprising of pig iron, engine scrap, etc. for cupola and CRGO, CRNO electric grade stamping scrap for ductile iron melting in induction furnaces. Scrap is sourced in big lots to avoid variation in chemistry. Additives like ferrosilicon magnesium, carbon razor, inoculant, etc. are sourced from manufacturers directly, indicating lot number and test reports. We have a regular checklist for checking incoming material in our laboratory, comprising of spectrometer, image analyzer, mechanical testing equipment like universal testing machine, Brinell hardness testing machine, impact testing equipment, etc. Dedicated control plans are in place for all items, processes, and are prominently displayed. Our workmen are regularly trained by experts in various areas of operation and controls. Melted and treated metal is transferred to crane-laden pouring ladles to pour molds, which are later transferred to knockout area after cooling for minimum 60 minutes for green sand castings. Knockout area clears castings of sand, which is transmitted by belts to magnetic separator and by elevators to polygon screen for separation of lumps. Lump-free sand is transferred to cooler and dust extractor system before being sent to sand hoppers for onward delivery to intensive mixes. Knocked out castings after visual inspection are sent for degating, shot blasting and grinding. We are equipped with hanger type as well as tumblers type shot blasting machines. During pouring, dedicated samples are drawn for spectroscopic analysis to ensure proper chemistry. We block test sample for mechanical properties and hardness testing, as well as microscope coupons is part of the process. These samples are being tested in our own laboratory. After acceptance of properties, ground castings are released for dimensional inspection and assurance of freedom from defects. Castings are then sent for further processing like heat treatment if required. We are equipped with 44 8-inch diameter by 48-inch high pit type electric annealing furnace and 120-inch by 120-inch by 72-inch batch type electric heat treatment furnace. We have adequately equipped modern machine shop comprising of VMC machines, turning centers of various sizes from 250 to 700 to 650 to 650 mm. We also have various lathes ranging from 5 feet to 24 feet size. We are equipped with cylindrical grinders, internal grinders, vertical grinders and centerless grinders to carry out various machining operations. Finally, dually machined components are sent for assembly and dispatch.